Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card today and see what we get. What do we need to hear today? Let's see. When we try to pick out anything by itself, we find it hitched to everything else in the universe. Think of your favorite place on earth. Close your eyes and imagine you are there. Take a moment to relax and appreciate how this feels. All right, which item has our quotes today? Give thanks. List the kind of things others have done for you. Because sometimes we forget. Nobody is coming to save you, but you have the power to save yourself. That one's a hard one to remember. Lessons in life will be repeated until they are learned. Yikes. Someone dreamt about you last night and you have no idea. If you really wanted it, you would make time for it. And the last one today. Choose to spend less time looking at screens today. All right, thanks for stopping by.